testing of siren TI 5674678 has been approved by California Governor Jerry Brown. The siren was created in the 1940s, but was last sounded in 1987. The siren has passed all necessary examination and is set to sound for emergency state testing as preparation for severe weather expected tomorrow. Because of technical difficulties with the other siren systems, TI 5674678 is the only way of warning residents of Santa Maria. The test will last 30 minutes and sound every 5 minutes. The test will be conducted at approximately 2 p.m. Pacific Time on May 16, 2011. Do not be alarmed. It is only a test. Thank you.
Attention. At this time, we will be conducting a test of emergency siren TI 5674678. Do not be alarmed. This is only a test. The test will last approximately 30 minutes. The siren will sound every 5 minutes. Again, this is only a test. There is no current emergency. Thank you.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the California Governor's Office of Emergency Services. This is not a test. Please listen very closely to this message. All residents of Santa Maria not yet affected, cover your ears with as much layers as you possibly can. Do not listen to the siren. The sound waves of siren TI 5674678 has caused widespread brain damage across the area. Within 25 seconds of exposure, the signal to the brain starts violently attacking the neurological system, causing a complete psychological collapse and eventually irreversible brain damage that leads to death. We are unsure how this psychological phenomenon is even possible, but we are continuing our efforts to find out how this is happening. Do not listen to the siren. No matter how attractive it sounds, the sound replicates the melody of a hymn. Prepare yourself immediately, as every 5 minutes until 2:30 p.m., the siren will sound. There is no stopping this thing now. Your life is in your hands. Good luck.
It stopped. Thank God.
Dude, what the hell even is this thing?
A corrupted siren? I have no idea.
Like, this isn't a siren. It's something way more than that. Like God's retribution to Earth. We are being hunted, Henry.
Dom, relax, okay?
No, I'm not going to relax. Screw you, dude. Are you kidding me? This thing is supernaturally wired. We are doomed, Henry. Don't tell me to relax.
You're being irrational, Dom.
Yeah, I'm being
Dom? Dom! Whoa! Dom! Are you okay? Dom! Dom!
The following is an urgent bulletin by the California Department of Health and Human Services. This is not a test. In the last 15 minutes, it has been discovered that the siren TI 5674678 has been hijacked by an unknown source. The hijack contains a powerful neurological weapon that generates dangerous energy waves to the brain through sound. More information is still needed on this situation, but all residents must prepare for the final testing in approximately 1 minute. Cover your ears with noise-canceling headphones and/or cover your ears with as much layers as you possibly can. This psychological phenomenon will only take minutes to fully impact the brain. Take precautions now. I repeat, take precautions now. This is not a test. An ongoing threat to public safety is ongoing. Do not wait. Take action now. Once the sound reaches your ears, it is too late. Cover yourself now.
This is an administrative message for the state of California. Siren TI 5674678 has caused multiple incidents across California. It is confirmed that the sound waves of the siren was linked to a supernatural origin that is no longer a threat. For now, we're all clear. You are safe to resume your daily routine.
Siren TI has caused intense damage to the people of California, sending neurological destructive energy waves throughout the state with its sound. This was the result of a supernatural force, which explains why it all happened so illogically fast. Unfortunately, we have a shocking toll, as 2 million people have been affected by this phenomenon, pausing with stroke, then collapsing into a violent seizure, and some have reported to scream before complete brain damage. This entire phenomenon has puzzled scientists all over the globe and has started a new era of research into the supernatural, now with evidence.